Today I want to show how to use breadboard. Breadboard has three parts, which is the power rails, the terminal strips, and the IP support, which is this one. So let's start from the power rails. Power rails are used to supply power to your terminal strips from here to here. So we usually put set and connecting wires like this one. You put it in the end. You will like this. After that, we connect this wire to a battery or a power supply. Then this one, the terminal strips, where we usually put resistors. This one. That. Well, the DIQ support is designed for like this, an IC where set it like this. To test the continuity, plug the block probe into the COM port of your multimeter. Here, this one. Second, plug the red port next to the black port here. After that, switch on your multimeter and put it on the icon that looks like a sound wave, which is this one. Then connect the probes, and if the results are 0 or near to 0 and the multimeter beeps or it makes sounds, that means there's continuity.
Now we're going to test the voltage. Now I'm going to measure the voltage in this device. So first set the diode voltage, then touch the red probe to the positive terminal and the black probe to the negative terminal. Now Now, I'm gonna measure the AC voltage in the outlet. First, turn the dial into the voltage and select AC. And now we're gonna test the voltage in the outlet. And now, we get the voltage reading.
We are done in testing the continuity and testing the voltage. Next, we'll measure the resistance of the resistors. Set the dial of the multimeter to ohms. Then place the probes to each end of the resistor. To measure the capacitance of the resistor, we're gonna set the dial to capacitance. Then put the probes into the capacitor. And we're gonna see the reading.
Now we have here the diode. But first, check your diode. This white tip is symbolized as a negative sign. So now we're gonna measure the diode in this what we call DMM. So first, set the diode into the diode. Then put the black probe into negative side of the diode and a positive probe. So we get the reading. Now we're gonna measure the temperature, but we're using only the room temperature. So set the dial into temperature. And now we're gonna the temperature reading.
Next, we will measure the current through this circuit diagram. In this circuit, we have 2 resistors and 1 battery. For us to measure the current in this circuit diagram, we need to set our DMM in microampere, which is this one here. Next to microampere is the milliampere in the ampere. your probe here, the connecting wires. There we have a result of the seat was 2,342 microampere.